Hi everyone, welcome back sa aking channel na GTR Math Tutorial at Facebook na RJ Enseñado. So for today's video ay i-discuss natin ang 311 to 315 of 1001 solved problems in engineering mathematics. So day 7 yan, tungkol lahat sa interior angles. Okay, so kung gusto nyo mapanood simula number 1 ay pumunta lang po kayo sa description. Nandun ang link ng aking playlist sa YouTube. Okay, so let's start. Number 311, a certain angle has a supplement of 5 times its complement. What is the angle? So hinahanap natin kung ano yung angle. What is the angle? So i-let x natin, let x or kahit anong variable na gusto nyo, let x be the angle. So ang sabi, a certain angle, so ito na ngayon, has a supplement of 5 times its complement. So pag sinabing complement, complementary angles, ibig sabihin yan, two angles with sum of 90 degrees. So kung ang given natin na xi angle, ang complement niya ay 90 minus x. So ito yung complement. Complement ng given na angle. Tapos yung supplement naman, ibig sabihin ng supplementary angles, two angles with sum of 180. So ang supplement natin, 180 minus x. So ito naman yung supplement. Okay? So ngayon, buuin na natin ang ating equation. A certain angle has supplement. So yung supplement, so that is 180 minus x of 5 times its complement. So yung of, yun yung equal sign. 180 minus x of 5 times its complement. So 5 times its complement, that is 90 minus x. So just solve for x. Hinahanap natin what is the angle. So just solve for x. So distribute lang natin itong 5. 5 times 90, we have 450. 5 times negative x, we have negative 5x. So just copy 180 minus x. Solve for x, pagsamahin natin yung dalawang x. So dali natin itong positive, negative 5x sa kabila. So add tayo ng 5x to both sides para mawala ito sa right side. And then itong 180 naman, dali natin sa kabilang side. So pag dinala sa kabilang side, minus 180 to both sides. So wala na ito. Then simplify, negative x plus 5x, we have 4x equals, subtract natin ito. So 0 minus 0, we have 0. 15 minus 8, that is 7. Ito magiging 3 minus 1, we have 270. And then divide both sides by 4. Therefore, the value of x, 270 divided by 4, that is equal to 67.5. So the answer is letter A, 67.5 degrees. So next, number 12. Each angle of a regular dodecagon is equal to blank. So pag sinabi nating dodecagon, ibig sabihin yan ay 12 sides. Regular, ibig sabihin pare-parehas yung side natin. Pare-parehas din dyan yung angle. So each angle of a regular dodecagon is equal to blank. So ang formula na gagamitin natin dito ay theta. So ito yung angle natin equals sa n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. Okay? So ang given natin, dodecagon. So yung n natin ay equal sa 12 sides. So solve lang natin, substitute lang natin dito. So we have yung n, palitan natin ng 12. So we have 12 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 12. So we have 12 minus 2, that is 10. So this is 10 times 180 degrees divided by 12. So ang value na niyan, pwedeng i-calculator na natin yan, no? So pwedeng i-calculate nyo na lang yan. So we have 10 times 180 divided by 12. The answer, therefore, is 150 degrees, letter B. Okay? So the correct answer is letter B, 150 degrees. 150 degrees. Okay, so next number. Okay, so ito pala yung figure, no? Hindi na natin na i-drawing. So ayan, so ito yung angle natin. Tig po 150 degrees yung each angle. So ito yung angle na yan pala. Ayan. Ito yung mga angle natin. Tigwa 150 degrees yan. Okay, so next number. So ayan, walang drawing. So how many sides a polygon have if the sum of the interior angles is 1080 degrees? So this time, ang hinahanap natin, yung sides. How many sides a polygon have if the sum of the interior angles is 1080 degrees? So ang formula na gagamitin natin dyan, ang formula ng sum ng interior angles ay equal sa n-2 times 180 degrees. Parang kagaya lang din nung kanina, no, na wala lang yung divided by n. Okay? So ang sum ay n-2 times 180 degrees. Hinahanap natin yung n. Given natin dito itong sum. Itong 1080 degrees, yan yung sum. Ayan. If the sum of the interior angles is 1080 degrees. So just solve for n. So we have, substitute natin, 1080 is equal to n-2 times 180 degrees. So distribute lang natin itong 180. So we have 180 times n, and then 180 times 2, we have negative 360. So solve for n, lipat natin itong 360 sa kabilang side. So add 360 to both sides. So cancel out na ito. We have 180n. Itong kabila ay 0, 8 plus 4. We have 14, carry 1. So we have 1 plus 4. Ayan. Okay, so 1,440. Divide lang natin both sides by 180. So ito na yung value ng n. The value of n is, may calculator lang natin. So we have 1,440 divided by 180. So the answer is 8. So letter D ang tamang sagot. Okay, so letter D, 8. Okay, so next number 314. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 540 degrees. Find the number of sides. So kagaya ulit nung kanina. Hinahanap natin yung number of sides. So this time, ang sum naman ng interior angles ay 540 degrees. So same formula, S is equal to n-2 times 180 degrees. Okay. So substitute 540 to our S. 540 degrees is equal to n-2 times 180 degrees. So madali pa lang solution dito. Huwag na natin i-distribute, no? Divide natin directly sa 180. Sakto na kasi yan eh, no? So cancel na ito. 540 divided by 180, that is equal to 3. 3 is equal to n-2. So to solve for n, add 2 to both sides. Okay, tapos na agad. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 5. So the number of sides ay letter C, 5. Okay? So next, number 315. Find the sum of the interior angles of the vertices of a 5-pointed star inscribed in a circle. So i-drawing lang muna natin ito. Drawing natin. Ayan. Find the sum of the interior angles of the vertices of a 5-pointed star inscribed in a circle. Yun, inscribed in a circle. So nasa loob siya ng circle. So ang hinahanap natin dito, sum of the interior angles of the vertices. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Ayan, itong mga angle na ito. Yung sum niyan. So yung limang yan yung hinahanap natin. So ilet natin theta ito. Ilet natin theta yung isa. So mangyayari 5 theta yung hinahanap natin. So tapos ang gagamitin natin dito, ang gagamitin nating formula dito ay yung formula ng inscribed angle. So ang sabi, so gamitin natin yung inscribed angle theorem. Inscribed angle theorem. Ang sabi sa inscribed angle theorem, itong inscribed angle, ito yon, equal siya sa one half netong intercepted arc. Ito yon. So, intercepted arc, parehas yan sa central angle. Ano naman yung central angle natin? Let's say yung circle, ito yung ating center. Yung inscribed angle natin dyan, or itong intercepted arc, parehas yan dito sa central angle natin. Ito yung central angle, twice daw siya. So 2 theta. Itong intercepted arc natin, equal siya sa 2 theta kasi nilet natin itong inscribed angle ay theta. Ang inscribed angle, tandaan, kalahati yan ng intercepted arc or ng itong inscribed angle, 2 theta. So 2 theta parehas yung intercepted arc at saka yung central angle. So malinaw, ilang 2 theta meron ba tayo dito? Dahil yung star regular yan eh, no? So pag tinapat din, kinumpleto natin yung drawing na to, meron tayong pare-parehas dito. Ilan lahat yan? Ayun, may 5 tayong 2 theta. So ibig sabihin pala, Yung one revolution o yung kumpletong circle, 360 degrees yan. So yung 360 degrees, that is 5 theta. 5 theta yon kasi, or 10 theta kasi 2 theta yung isa, no? So ang gagawin lang natin, yung para makuha natin yung 2 theta, makuha natin yung 2 theta, gagawin natin 360 degrees, divide natin sa 5. Bakit 5? Kasi nga 5 lahat ito. Meron tayong 5 na 2 theta. Okay? So therefore, ang value ng 2 theta is equal to 360 divided by 5. That is equal to 36 divided 360 divided by 5. That is equal to 72. Okay? So 72 degrees ang value ng 2 theta. So therefore, ang magiging kung ang 2 theta ay 72 degrees, ang value ng theta ay equal sa 72 divided by 2. That is 36 degrees. So ngayon, ang hinahanap natin, burahin na natin to. Ayan, ang hinahanap natin ay yung sum ng interior angles. So meron tayong 5 theta dito. Okay? Pare-parehas ng value yan. So therefore, the sum of the interior angles is 5 theta. That is equal to 5 times 36 and that is equal to 180 degrees. The correct answer is letter D, 180 degrees. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang math reviewer para sa engineering mathematics. Good luck sa lahat ng nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.